north central Texas, north central Dallas County in north central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north central Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilmer, or near Hutchins, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard all signs hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Seagull, Hutchins, Wilmer, and Ferris around 7:15 p.m. Central. Thunderstorm includes Scurry, Heartland, Sand Branch, India, and Pecan Hill. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm.